Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the front audio port not working issue in Windows 11. If your front headphone jack or microphone port isn't detecting your headset, it's often due to driver problems, incorrect settings, or loose hardware connections. Luckily, you can troubleshoot this problem step by step to get your audio working again. Let's get started. Step 1. Check hardware and volume. Make sure your headphone or mic jack is fully plugged in to the front port. Unplug and replug it, or try a different USB port or audio jack if available. If possible, plug it into another computer to check if the device itself is working. Check volume and ensure it's not muted. Speakers/headphones are turned on. Step 2. Run the audio troubleshooter. Open the search menu, type troubleshoot, then select troubleshoot settings. Click Other Troubleshooters, find Audio, and click Run to let Windows detect and fix issues. Step 3. Update your audio driver. Open Search, type Device Manager, and open it. Expand sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click your audio device, select Update Driver. Browse My Computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list. Choose the correct drive, click Next and Yes. Restart your computer when done. That's it. Now you know how to check and fix a front audio port not working issue. Hope this helps and your sound is back to normal. Good luck. See you in the next tutorial.